Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily market news brief for April 29th, 2019. This is James with Elliott Wave Forecast.com. Let's look at what went on in the markets today. The Asian markets closed slightly mixed today, highlighted by the Shanghai Composite down 77 basis points, the Hang Seng up nearly 1%, Australia's ASX down 41 basis points, and the Kospi up nicely by 1.7%. European markets were slightly positive across the board, with the DAX up 10 basis points, the FTSE up 17 basis points, the CAC up 21 basis points, and the Euro Stoxx Index up 8 basis points. U.S. markets were slightly green as well, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average up 4 basis points, the S&P 500 up 11 basis points, the NASDAQ up 19 basis points, the Russell 2000 up the most among U.S. indexes at a positive 48 basis points. The volatility index rose by a notable 259 basis points over the previous close in anticipation of another slew of U.S. corporate earnings releases this week. Energy saw oil take back 44 basis points over Friday's close and Brent down 19 basis points. Natural gas was up just over 0.5%. One of the big movers of the day actually happened just after the market close, when Google parent Alphabet fell more than 6% after releasing their quarterly earnings report, breaking the April uptrend line, putting the focus on more lows. This miss on first quarter revenue estimates led analysts to worry about a shift in advertising spending to Alphabet rivals like Facebook and Amazon. Of the 244 expected quarterly earnings reports set for release tomorrow, those that are of interest to us include GE, GM, McDonald's, Shopify, and Simon Property Group, all before the market open, as well as Twilio, AMD, and Apple, all reporting after the market closes for Tuesday. Aside from the U.S. corporate earnings released for tomorrow, the broader economic calendar for Tuesday, April 30th, is highlighted by German unemployment claims, followed by Eurozone GDP data. Tuesday is a busy day for data as we also see German CPI data due out at 12 GMT, U.S. Consumer Confidence Index out at 1400 GMT, as well as New Zealand employment data out at 2245 GMT. As always, thank you for joining me for today's market news. Come check out how our proprietary analysis can help you stay of the market in 78 different financial instruments as we help you navigate the volatility. As always, those new to Elliott Wave Forecast.com may try a free trial subscription of any one of our group offerings at Elliott Wave Forecast.com /plan-trial.